Making YouTube Shorts is one of the quickest ways to get a million views and blow up your channel on YouTube, but I've worked with so many channels that have actually found this to be a bad thing, believe it or not. Many of them have hundreds of thousands of subscribers that they've gotten from their shorts, yet can barely break 1,000 or even 100 views when they publish a new video, all because of their shorts. And I know that you don't want that to happen to you too, so here's how to avoid this trap. First, let's understand the power of shorts. YouTube Shorts have the potential to reach a large number of viewers very quickly and have proven themselves to be a very effective way for creators to get a ton of subs without having to spend hours and hours ideating, scripting, and editing a ton of long videos. This offers a unique opportunity for creators because, I mean, even my videos take about 15 hours to edit from start to finish, and that's not counting thumbnail design, script writing, filming, and everything else that goes into creating my content. Lots of people don't have the time, resources, or ability to make long videos consistently, especially if some weeks or months an upload flops and you lose a bunch of motivation. So, shorts become the answer for a lot of creators to grow their channels quickly, and in many cases, it works out great. However, as I previously mentioned, it often actually works out the opposite for creators that try to use shorts to grow their channels. I've personally consulted for a lot of people that come to me for advice with hundreds of thousands of subs and millions of views with their shorts, yet can barely top a couple thousand or even a few hundred views on their long videos. This is obviously a huge problem because unless you're able to either A, get an actually absurd number of views on your shorts every single month, like I'm talking hundreds of millions of views every month, or B, sell low ticket products or services under about $20 to your shorts audience, which I'll explain a bit later. Then it's going to be incredibly difficult to make any sort of money if you're just getting a ton of shorts views and relying on that. Shorts ad revenue is absolute poverty, and most people won't buy anything from you unless it's super cheap, as audience loyalty is usually lacking for shorts creators due to the limited amount of time they're on camera compared to a long video, which I'll talk about more in depth later. So how do we fix this problem? I mean, does it even make sense that shorts on a channel get views when long videos don't? Does the algorithm just hate certain creators? I mean, like, what's up? The answer is yes, it does make sense, and no, the algorithm doesn't hate anybody. You're just not using shorts to grow your channel the right way. Because, like I've mentioned, at the end of the day, getting a ton of subs and views doesn't really mean anything if your subs and views don't also translate to money. In the case of shorts, just getting views isn't enough to make you money, and you also don't make money by getting a 100k subs plaque. So I would get out of that mindset if I were you. Views are only really going to make you money on long form content because not only are you able to monetize them with ads, but you're also able to attract high ticket sponsors that make you a ton of money. Subscribers, on the other hand, basically translate to loyal viewers that will buy stuff you sell, which basically allows you to use your YouTube channel as a marketing tool, with the added benefit that loyal subs will also come back to your content, which makes you more money off ad revenue. However, with shorts, your subs generally aren't as loyal due to the fact that they simply just don't see you on camera as much and therefore aren't as connected to you and don't trust you as much. To put it into perspective, a viewer has to watch 8 or 9 shorts to be exposed to you as much as one 8-minute long form video. So to actually use all of the views and subs that shorts might bring to your channel, you'll have to, well, before I show you how to fix the problem, let me first tell you about Epidemic Sound, the internet's biggest and best platform for royalty-free music and sound effects. I personally use Epidemic Sound in every single one of my videos, including right now, and can confidently say that it's totally worth purchasing. In the past, I really struggled to find good non-copyright music for my videos because anytime I'd search the internet, I'd either find music that A, wasn't royalty-free, meaning I'd be risking my video getting taken down if I decided to use it, or B, was actually royalty-free but sounded really cheesy and bad and really wasn't something I wanted in my video. Then I found Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound owns 100% of their assets so that you never have to worry about getting your video demonetized or taken down, and with a catalog of over 40,000 different music tracks, you'll always be able to find the perfect song for your video. And not only am I able to easily find good music for my videos, but I also have access to over 90,000 professionally recorded sound effects with my Epidemic subscription that have leveled up my content. From Epidemic Sound's 3 flexible pricing plans, I'd personally recommend the personal plan, which is perfect if you have a single YouTube channel. Or if you work with multiple channels like I do, I'd recommend the commercial plan, which is specifically made for freelancers, agencies, or brands because it prevents copyright claims on any video you've created for any channel using Epidemic Sound's music. If you're interested, click the link in my description to get a free 30-day trial. Any videos that you make during the trial will be permanently free of copyright claims from Epidemic Sound, so there's no risk to you. Anyway, to actually use all the views and subscribers shorts might bring to your channel, you'll have to simply take all the viewers that watch your shorts and also get them to watch your long videos, basically using shorts as the first exposure to your channel and then funneling those viewers over to the stuff that makes you money. Simple, right? Unfortunately, a lot of the time it's not, but let me show you how to make it easier. First, let's take a look at my boy Kai's channel. He makes funny shorts about Geometry Dash, which is a popular mobile game, and he gets a ton of views on his shorts and his long form videos, so he's gone about this the right way. Having had in-depth conversations with Kai, he also makes good money from his channel due to the views shared between his short and long form content, as well as other stuff he sells beyond his YouTube. Now, when you publish a long video on YouTube, a large part of the audience it first gets pushed out to is your subscribers, which in Kai's case, most of his subs came from shorts and they are getting shown his long videos first. And this works really well for him because his shorts viewers and subscribers are also interested in his long content. So his long videos also get views. In contrast, let's look at this other channel called McMakerStation. This creator, like Kai, gets a ton of views on his shorts. However, in his case, he barely averages 100 views on many of his long videos. And this is the problem that we've been talking about. This means that McMakerStation subs, who mostly come from shorts, get his long videos recommended when he posts, but then don't end up clicking on them. And this, of course, could be the fault of poor packaging, like, you know, a bad thumbnail and title, or even an uninteresting video idea, but it's also the fact that the subs this creator gets from their shorts are just not interested in this type of long form content. So no matter how good of a title and thumbnail, edit, script, voiceover, or whatever else that they produce for their videos, they still won't have their shorts viewers funneling over to their long content, which is where the real usefulness of shorts is lost. Because of the way the YouTube algorithm recommends long videos to your subs first, it's pretty obvious why this is the case. McMakerStation had a few shorts blow up to an absurd number of views, which people subbed from, and as a result, A, weren't super loyal to the creator himself or his content because they subbed from a few random iShow speed clips, and B, also weren't interested in the creator's long form content anyway because the iShow speed clips attracted an incredibly broad audience that was then showed much more niche down long form content on McMakerStation's channel, like videos about how to grow on YouTube, montages of people getting hurt, and videos even specifically about the creator himself, which, to be totally blunt, none of his subs really cared about because they subbed from a random clip of a big streamer. So essentially the issue here was that the creator made content outside of his shorts' niche, which got shown to his subs who weren't interested, and then as a result, the views on his long form content suffered as a result, even though he has over 100,000 subs. And actually, this goes even deeper than just making short and long form content in different niches. It's less about the niche itself and more about the different audience that these niches attract. And it also has a lot to do with what different audiences prefer when it comes to content format, pacing, and everything else that differentiates long and short form videos than it does with just what different audiences are interested in. For example, a 60-year-old chess grandmaster will watch content in the chess niche just like a 12-year-old that plays chess on his computer during school. However, the chess grandmaster will likely only care about 30-minute plus long-form breakdowns of world championship chess matches, whereas the kid will just watch chess shorts with memes littered throughout them. Both styles of chess videos, while in the same niche, could not be more different in the audience that they attract, even though they both attract people that are interested in chess. So the key to success with shorts and long videos really is to attract just the exact same audience with your short and long form content, as opposed to just sticking to a niche and hoping it works out. And if you want to learn the first step to all of this, which is to get a ton of views on your shorts, give this video a watch where I interview my friend with a 9-digit view count and over 300,000 subs through shorts that he's then transferred over to his long videos.